大家好，日日都咁講咧，就嚟到第4堂課啦。Lesson 4第4堂。咁今日講啲咩嘢啊？今日講嘅最重要咧，去搭飛機，去飛機場。咁我哋又講下呢個用語，因為有時搭飛機咧都比較趕忙嘅。好，咁我哋就而家開始啦。Can you show me which way is gate A15? Can you show me which way is the gate A15? 請問 A15嘅登機閘口喺邊度啊？喺邊一邊啊？請問 A15嘅登機閘口係行邊一邊？A15就係 A15啊，咁佢就唔使話 A15，人哋就知係登機閘口噶啦啊，所以就係 Gate A15， Gate 係個門口。好，另外通常上飛機之前或者之後落飛機之後啊，都想去下洗手間嘅，所以我哋就話 Where is the men's room？ 嗱，一般咧講廁所咧最簡單啊，都係叫男性就係 men's room， 男人房間其實就係去廁所 men's room， 即係男性嘅洗手間就叫 men's room。 Where is the men's room？ Where is the men's room？ 咁佢哋會指俾你睇啦嚇，其實喺邊邊啊，向邊個方向行啊，咁你自己會睇到嗰個地方㗎啦嚇，嗰個提示㗎啦嚇，咁呢個就係咁樣講。好，另外就係 Can you show me which way is the baggage claim？ Can you show me which way is the baggage claim？ 請問攞行李嘅地方喺邊度啊？請問行李嘅運送嘅輸送帶喺邊度啊？咁好多時係唔係同埋一層嘅，但係你係知道個方向先，咁就朝嗰個方向行啦。但係朝嗰個方向行咧，咁都可以再要問人嘅喎，係咪？所以 baggage claim 就係行李提取嘅地方啊，或者係行李輸送帶嘅地方。好啦，咁就係呢句就係咁樣樣啦。好啦，另外就係 Can you show me where？ 或者 Can you show me which level？ Can you show me which level is the airport bus station？ Can you show me which level is the airport bus station？ 請問你可唔可以講俾我聽，機場巴士站喺邊一層啊？請問你可唔可以講俾我聽，機場巴士站係去邊一層啊？好重要啦，係咪？有啲係上，有啲係落㗎，你係要想知道係邊一層啊？咁啊 ，what level？level 就係 level 咧，就係邊一層嚇。咁如果嗰個答案佢會係咁嘅The airport bus stops is at level 1。The airport bus stop is at level 1。機場巴士站喺第一層。機場巴士站喺第一層，因為你去按個升降機嘅時候咧，佢有 level 1、level 2第一層、第二層 ，level 3第三層 ，level 5第5層。不過一般都喺樓下嘅，所以係 level 1啦。今次另外佢教埋你喎 ，Please go downstairs at this escalator。Please go downstairs at this escalator。請用自動扶手電梯落樓。請用自動扶手梯落樓。Escalator 就係自動扶手梯但係用佢嚟落樓啊嘛。Downstairs，down 就係落樓 ，stairs 係梯級。不過呢個 escalator 都係落樓咁嘅意思所以呢個就係喺飛機場會有用㗎。好啦，今日加01 one addition 係乜嘢咧？或者 one extra 係咩咧？咁就係多謝人啦，人哋幫咗你，或者你問咗人，咁你就講 講完晒啦，thanks a lot，thanks a lot 啊，咁多謝你，非常多謝 ，a lot 就係非常多謝 ，thanks a lot， 或者係即係整個答案就係 This is wonderful, thank you。This is wonderful, thank you。哇！呢個答案好好啊，多謝你嘅幫忙。仲用個眼睛望住佢，笑笑口 ，thank you， 或者係 say 下 thank you， 咁人哋會好開心啊！你自己有一個好愉快嘅學習機會，因為佢會同你講。但係如果佢有時講得快啲咧，即係喺指向你嘅時候講轉左轉右快啲嘅時候咧，你唔一定全部聽得明啦，但係睇埋佢個動作。但係第一你自己唔好心急啊！你講得唔好咁快。但係要咁開口講，唔係好注重自己而家你嘅口音。只要你講得慢啲、清楚啲。如果佢講得快，你就提醒佢可唔可以講慢少少啊 ？Can you slow down? Can you slow down? 咁佢明白咧，佢講慢啲咧，你聽清楚啲，佢就唔使再重複啦。好啦，如果覺得有用咧，就同第啲人分享啦，一傳十，十傳百，而且撳個 like。或者個鐘仔，好多謝你啊！下一堂再見。